Okay, so at this point I need to warn, don't copy me, don't do what I'm doing. I'm going to be working with mains electricity, which can be fatal. Okay, I've got this DENON RCD100 from eBay, 40. The fault was it wouldn't turn off, and when I plugged it in it just said that one in there, and yet it wouldn't turn off. So I had the lid off and it is really dusty in there. I mean mega dusty. Oh no, it does come out. So what's happening on there? Is that a message? Yeah. Does that mean it's FOC? Is that pencil? Right, excuse me. Try plugging it back in with the door out. Oh, there's a crap coming on it. See what happens. Oh, something clicked. That clicked. What does it say now? It still says track 01. Oh, post or something in there. So I'm going to I can't get this out. Pull off this front, just pulls up. And it still won't come out, so I'm going to take the whole front panel off. And it off there. And these screws underneath. There are. Oh yeah. It looks like. I wonder if this has all been off before. There's the little rubber mounts. I mean, glued on as well. Oh, that's it. Oh, I see. Yeah. This one's got ground wire in it. Right. What I wanted to get out is out. I think this is where our problem lies. That, I don't know about you, but that doesn't look factory to me. This thing, it looks like a cup washer. Definitely it does not look factory. Right, I found out where that little thing comes from. This, I think, comes from in there. It's a post. I think it comes from that bit in there. Now, is that snapped? Let's see on here, there's a post there, a post there, a post there. I guess it would come from there. I've got a donor here to repair the Denon. This is a Sony CDP-411. It shares the same CD transport mechanism according to the service manual. Now this one's a bit beaten up, but the CD does work. As I've tested it, it works. This was £73 on eBay. I'm hoping, using that one, I can maybe fix the other one. I'm just going to swap it over for now. I'm going to get the screws back off of this. It looks like it's going to come out of that one a lot easier than this one. This one you've got to strip the whole front off to get it out. And it weighs an absolute ton. Massive transformer in there. I'll get the screws out. It works. Interesting. One of these wasn't really before. Zero. It works perfectly. Right.
So I've got the circuit board back in after my little oopsie with the probe, and hopefully it's not going to go bang when I plug it back in now. Let's see. Oh, I don't believe it. It didn't need the memo and tuning up. It's back on straight away. I've just got a standby light and it turns on. Yeah, there's Denon in there. Tuner function. See the CD works. CD. Oh my god, it works. Well, it ejects. It never did that before. Well, let's see if it reads a disc. I think CD2 was alright. Let's go. It's spinning up. Oh my god, I found that sorted it. Play. Yeah, it says, I won't lift it up because there's a CD in it. Oh no. It says track 15, 79 minutes. Let's hit play. Yes. See if it skips. No skipping. Oh my god. I've taken this thing apart God knows how many times. Okay, so music test, hooked it up to one speaker in this little Philips micro system. I've got a CDR as well driving direct. If you look at that, it is a really sun-beaten, doesn't even look like it would play. It does play, so let's get it put in there. Like little dots and marks in it. Turn it on. And eject. Oh, well, it wasn't working then. Whew. Let's go. We know what live and direct mean? Let's see if I find out. Let me play a little bit.
This is live and direct.
There we go.
Live and direct. You know what live and direct mean? Mean live and direct. So you are.
There you go. It's all good.